Right, then some football news now with Cavalier having already taken one of two semi-final spots from Group B in the CONCACAF CFU Club Championship. Mount Pleasant will be hoping to join their Jamaican counterparts but they must get the better of Real Hope from Haiti on Thursday at Zabina Park, starting at 7 p.m. Mount Pleasant are one win away from joining Cavalier in the CONCACAF CFU Club Championship semi-finals. But they must get by Real Hope of Haiti, who only need a draw to advance. It's a tie that normally would be in favor of the home team, but the scenario is a bit different this time around, as Real Hope's record in Jamaica is impressive. The Haitians beat Cavalier while taking a point from Arnett Gardens in Jamaica. It's something Mount Pleasant are aware of, but are not daunted.
It's a very important game. We know the task at hand. Destiny is in our hands. The team know what they have to do. So, as I said before, we're looking forward to the challenge.
In their last outing against Police FC of Trinidad, Mount Pleasant drew blank after being presented with a number of goal-scoring opportunities. But Coach Theodore Whitmore says that things should be different this time around.
We know we miss a lot of opportunity, but again, I'm sure we have a lot in our tank tomorrow to really pull it out, and I think one goal will change the game. Basically, you should get not many changes, but we want to score goal tomorrow, so you might see more firepower up front. And so there's not a lot of changes.
Cavalier will start the day atop the table on 6 points, 1 point ahead of second place to Real Hope and 2 more than Mount Pleasant. The Jamaican champions are already assured of a semi-final spot, but victory will ensure they top the group. But standing in their way is the third Jamaican team in the group, Arnett Gardens, who are already out of contention.
Get a win in the winning column. We haven't done so in probably a couple of weeks, and we want to finish the competition on a high, so we really going to give it our best shot.
But Arnett's coach, Xavier Gilbert, knows it will take a balancing act, as he's mindful of the number of games his players have been involved in over the last 4 weeks.
Managing the players' workload is paramount, and again we have to travel to Montego Bay. The game on Sunday was really tough as well. So we are looking at all different aspects and to make sure that we can maximize on the game tomorrow and maximize on our next game. So we are balancing and make sure that we make the right decision for the players and for the club.
The winner of the group will face Mocha FC of the Dominican Republic, while the second place finisher will face another Dom Rep team, Cibao.